Oki means big in Japanese. It's a simple enough adjective, but there are a few common errors Japanese learners tend to make. This video explains four such errors. Pitfall number one. How do you say I ate a big meal in Japanese? 大きいご飯を食べました? No, we don't say that. In Japanese, it's a lot rather than big. So we say ご飯をたくさん食べました. I ate a lot for a meal. We use the adverb たくさん. Pitfall number two. If Mr. Yamada is big, meaning chubby, how do you say that? 山田さんは大きいです. Well, in Japanese, 大きい means rather tall when you are describing a person, so it doesn't imply someone's chubby. A straightforward way is to say, 山田さんは太っています. Mr. Yamada is fat, but perhaps it's not nice to say in this way. If you want to say the person is muscular or has heavy structure, then 山田さんはがっしりしています. Mr. Yamada is well built. Pitfall number three. How do you say I'm not a big shopper? Big here means like something a lot. So instead of 大きい, use 大好きな. So say 買い物はそんなに大好きじゃないです。買い物はそんなに大好きではありません。I'm not so keen on shopping. Pitfall number four. If you're using big as important, for example, he's big, meaning the person is important or successful, then don't use 大きい。あの人は偉くなりました。That person achieved a high social status. あの人は成功しました。That person became successful. Or more colloquial expression may be あの人はすごいんだよ。That person is amazing. I am sure that there are many other ways big is used in English, but 大きい in Japanese may or may not be usable in the same way. I hope these four common errors helped you to correctly use 大きい. Thank you for watching.